What's this?
Agila.
No, this one.
Caterpillar.
That's a turtle. What's this?
Agila.
Alligator. What's this?
A dog.
A sea lion, not a dog. A sea lion.
She-nana.
What's this?
A shark.
No, this one's a shark. This one is a whale.
A whale.
What's this?
A whale.
A fish. What's this?
Oh.
What's this one, Zai? Zion, what's this one? Zai, we're almost done. What's this one? Zion, what's this one? Right here.
Octopus.
Octopus. What's this?
A shark.
No. What's this?
A shark.
Nope.
Nope. A fish.
A fish. Yup. What's this?
Octopus.
Octopus. What's this?
A duck.
A duck. What's this?
A star.
A star. Yay! Good job. What's this?
A shark.
A shark. And what's this?
A sheep.
A whale. And what's this?
Sea lion.
Sea lion. Good job. What's this?
Alligator.
Alligator. What's this?
A fish.
A fish. Good
No,
job.
that's not an fish.
Oh, it's a turtle. Yeah.
Oh, that's it. What's this? What's this kind? What's this kind? Octopus.
Octopus.
Whoa, what's this kind? A duck. What's this kind? What's this kind? A dog.
Let me see your beard. Let me see. You're silly. Let me see you clean your armpits. Clean your armpits.
Does the muscles?
This is your muscles. Show me how your muscles.